全世界啊，世界上有我们说70亿人口，其中呢可能就是57左右都是女性。那而且呢，这女性里面的这个宗教的信仰也是挺高的，关心他们的这个女性的这个状况啊，他们的这个宗教的修行啊，我觉得这是非常重要的一件事情。对于一个宗教的一个领袖来说，关心他们的这个宗教的修行是非常重要的。但是以前呢，在藏地就女众就没有像男众一样，男众的这个僧人一样，有这样学习这个佛教论点、佛教哲学的机会，没有。后来到了印度之后呢，才有了这样的一个，慢慢就有这样的一个机会啊。但是呢，在噶举派这个传承里面呢，至今没有这样的一个真正的就是说怎么说辩经法会，或者所有的尼众的寺院的尼师们聚集在一起，能够讨论这个哲学或者佛教的论点。这样的时候呢，他们就是往往都会就是说好像有点像是落后啊。所以呢，我觉得还是给他们一个这样的一个机会，让他们也可以参与到这样的一个佛教的大事啊，然后能够可以学习修行，跟南众的出家众一样。
Because of the Karmapa's compassionate aspiration, now for the first time in the 900-year history of the Kagyu lineage, the nuns have gathered for Dharma debates in the Arya Kshema Winter Dharma Gathering for Kagyu nuns. During the Buddha's time, among his monk followers, Shariputra was known to be the wisest. Among his nuns, the wisest was Bhikkhuni Kshema. For this reason, the Karmapa named this event Arya Kshema, with a hope to inspire in nuns the same wisdom and courage. This event that heralded the educational reform for the Kagyu nuns formally commenced on January 20th, 2014. Under the Karmapa's direct guidance, more than 200 nuns took part in listening, contemplation, meditation, and debates. During the time of the Buddha, due to the caste system in India and the idea of valuing men over women, women were prevented from becoming nuns. After many petitions from the female followers and Ananda's appeal on their behalf, the Buddha kindly conferred ordination to women. However, this also brought on the idea that the longevity of the Dharma would be shortened by 500 years as a result. In Tibetan Buddhism, there were nuns from the beginning. However, under the influence of society, the conditions for religious practices for nuns were not as supported as for monks. Gradually, the lineage of fully ordained nuns or bhikkhunis was lost.
所以呢，这个观念要改变我们的这个观念，社会 所就是伪造出来的这样的一个事实，或者这样的一个观念，我们要改变那个，事情不能太情绪化，我们还是需要一些逻辑或者真理啊，去推断说实际上情况是怎么样子。所以呢，我觉得这个是我觉得是非常重要的。
The Buddha analogized the Dharma to a house. Bhikkhus and bhikkhunis, male and female lay people, are the 4 pillars. In order for the Dharma to flourish, all 4 groups must be there.
大家都知道啊，无论是男众出家众或者女性出家众，都是要手持这个佛陀的教法。那持有这个佛陀的教法，那得需要一个就是条件，具备条件啊，不够这个条件的话呢，他们就没办法拥有这样能够持有这个佛教佛法。所以他们必须得要具备这个我们说这个3学的修行，戒定慧这样的一个3学的修行，圆满的3学的修行，这样的话才能可以，他们也同样的可以持有佛陀的教法。
To enable nuns to have the same capability as monks in carrying on the teachings of the Buddha, the Karmapa strongly emphasizes the 3 trainings and the revival of the lineage of the Bhikkhuni vow. It is His Holiness's hope that through the first Arya Kashema Winter Dharma Gathering for Kagyu nuns, the nuns can begin to receive complete training in Buddhist science and philosophy, including the 5 great commentaries. Through Dharma debate, a technique promoted by great Buddhist scholars such as Nagarjuna and Asanga, the nuns can study the Dharma in a way that fits the modern-day way of reasoning and analyzing. Once their studies, which serve as a foundation, have been completed, they can proceed further with training in meditation and enter into traditional retreat. In this way, the nuns who are both academically and spiritually trained will confidently step onto the stage of upholding the teachings, a stage that has long been missing their presence.